How to close your Wise account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to close your Wise account, well, in today's video, I'll show you the simple steps to safely close your Wise account. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here with that, before closing, just withdraw all your funds and cancel pending transfers and ensure your account balance is zero. And now here, once inside the app, make sure that you're logged into your account, and here inside the app just tap on the profile icon at the top left, and here you need to simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as close account, and after that you just have to follow the prompts and confirm your decision. And with that, you might receive a confirmation email. So you just have to tap the link to finalize closing your account. But remember, closing your account is permanent and you won't be able to access your funds and history afterward. And that's it. That's how you can close your Wise account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.